Hey, this is Paul. This is a repair for Matt. This is a K7000 25-inch. Came to me dead. I put a new flyback on, new hot, new voltage regulator. It already had caps done on it. So I just left the caps as is. There we go. Got a good looking picture. So it's been on my testing rig for several hours. No issues have come up. It's a pretty clean chassis. Did some refiller work on the bottom, made sure all the traces were secure. This area back here gets kind of hot, so you gotta make sure everything is reflowed. Suck out the old burn up solder and reflow some new solder on there, just to make sure you got a good connection. There's some new flyback. Like I said, caps are done already. This guy's ready to box up and send back. See ya.